Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video which is about how to fix if left side speaker of your iPhone is not working and you are worried about this speaker. So guys, if I ask you how many speakers are there in your iPhone, the answer will be 2. So guys, there are only 2 speakers in your iPhone. One is called ear speaker, which is in your screen, that is used for calls, and from here you can listen to voice calls, and the other speaker is here in the right side corner on your iPhone, and this is called stereo speaker, from where you can listen to the music or other audios. So guys, there are only 2 speakers in your iPhone. One is ear speaker and the other is stereo speaker. So guys, if you're worried about this speaker, I will let you know that this is not a speaker at all. This is microphone grill, and from here you can put your voice, or you can input your voice from here. So guys, hopefully you have understood the structure and condition and the situation of your iPhone, that this is not actually a speaker for whom you are worried. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hopefully you have understood the situation. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.